The four fundamental forces of nature, particle physics, part 3. Strong force binds the nucleus, electromagnetic force binds the atoms, weak force, radioactive decay, gravitational force binds the solar system. Electromagnetic force binds atoms, electromagnetic force. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetic force binds atoms. The charges of any fundamental particles leads to the study of electromagnetic in nature because of its force of attraction and repulsion. These forces of attraction and repulsion leads to the development of electric field as well as the magnetic field. The interaction of electric field and magnetic field leads to the study of electromagnetism. The types of particles that experience the force in the electromagnetic force binds atoms, the relative strength of the force, the range over which the force is effective, the nature of the particles that mediate the force in the electromagnetic force. This electromagnetism is a branch of physics which involves the study of the electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles, as I told you. Because of the electron and proton and positron and almost all electric charges leads to the study of electromagnetic power, which is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is a branch of physics, as I told you already. The electromagnetic force usually shows electromagnetic fields such as electric fields, magnetic fields and light. The electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental interactions in the nature. Electricity. This is the positive charge, electric field lines. Magnetism. These are the lines of forces in the magnetic field. And this is the light radiations which contains electromagnetic waves. Classical electrodynamics leads to the study of electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between the electrically charged particles. Electromagnet. As you know that electromagnet develops the magnetic domains of iron bar. It creates a magnetic field and hence the lines of forces and hence magnetic field. Because of the interaction of the electric field and the magnetic field, the hybridized wave is developed, which is electromagnetic wave. My dear friends, electric wave is moved with the horizontal in the x-axis or a magnetic wave in the y-axis. The interaction of the electric field and the magnetic field, which results in the electromagnetic radiation, is a self-propagating composite of electric field plus a magnetic field. Changing electric field produces self-propagating, changing magnetic field produces. The interaction of magnetic field and electric field leads to the study of electromagnetic wave. This is electromagnetic wave. The force is electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic spectrum. My dear friends, it has got different wavelengths: radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet radiations, X-rays and gamma rays. This is the important thing in the electromagnetic spectrum of different wavelengths. Electromagnetic force in forming matter, Coulomb's law. The force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, leads to the study of Coulomb's law. Similarly, electron capture the electromagnetic force, pulls electrons into orbit around positively charged atomic nuclei. The larger the nuclei, the more electrons are pulled in Similarly, atoms and molecules. The electromagnetic force holds atoms and molecules together. Electrons occupy energy levels around atomic nuclei branching. The study of protons, neutrons and other things, nucleons. Nuclei balancing out positive and negative charges. Earth itself acts as a huge magnet. North magnetic pole, south geographic pole. North pole and south pole. The whole Earth is Earth's magnetic field. Thank you for watching. Like,